Hey there, fellow editors. Today we're tackling a common concern in DaVinci Resolve, the dreaded media offline. Whether you've moved files around or accidentally hit delete, I've got the solutions for you. Let's dive right in. The number one cause of media offline is when you've moved a file to another folder or changed its name for better organization. DaVinci Resolve loses track of the file's location. Fear not, it's an easy fix. Head to the Edit or Cut pages and locate the Relink Media icon in the top left corner. Click Relink Media and a window will pop up. If you know the new location, click Locate, find the file and press Open. Voila! Your media is back. If you're still struggling, try Disk Search for a more thorough exploration of your hard drive. Keep in mind, this may take some time for extensive drives. Now let's talk about accidentally deleting a file from your media pool. If you've hit backspace and lost a clip, it'll show up as media offline on your timeline. To fix this, manually import the file by pressing CMD+I on Mac or Control+I on a PC. Locate the file, press Open, and your timeline is back in business. There you have it, 2 quick fixes for the media offline conundrum in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you've relocated files or accidentally deleted them, these methods will have you back on track in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up.